Cancer is a broad term used to describe a group of diseases, characterized by the abnormal growth and spread of cells. It takes not just a physical health toll, but a mental toll on the person sick and the people around them. Cancer-causing meals and food are more common in our lives than you'd think. Carcinogenic food, taken on a daily basis, is something most people tend to overlook. But it builds up over time, increasing your risk for this incurable disease every single day. 1. Canned food products. Most cans in canned food are lined with a product known as bisphenol A. Studies carried out in animals has shown that bisphenol A is involved in altering the cells of the brain. Most plastic goods, thermal sheets, and water lines we encounter in day-to-day life are also lined by BPA. Research has surveyed that 90% of the Americans have BPA in their urine. It's known that this vastly increases the risks of breast and prostate cancer in humans. Stop using canned food. Use frozen or fresh vegetables instead. 2. Genetic modified foods, GMOs. Genetically modified food, or GMOs, have surged in popularity in the last several decades. Scientists and health professionals believe that proper testing was not done before adding these genetically altered products to our daily use ingredients, that the producer and grower doesn't know the long-term effects of GMOs on human health. Try to avoid buying GMOs and opt for organic food instead. 3. Soda and carbonated beverages. Soda as a cancer-causing food is a topic that has been debated for decades. Containing high fructose corn syrup and many harmful chemicals, soda is known to be a real malefactor in causing and increasing the risks of cancer. Soda has no nutritional value at all. It is simply watered-down syrup. Pancreatic cancer studies have shown that people who consume 2 soft drinks a week have an 87% increased chance of getting pancreatic cancer. Avoid carbonated beverages at all costs. 4. Hydrogenated oils. Hydrogenation is a process where producers inject hydrogen into liquid fats such as vegetable oil to turn it into solid fat. Along with this, many other chemicals are added in factories to change the smell and taste as well. Products such as stick margarine and donuts are high in hydrogenated oils. These hydrogenated oils are packed with omega-6 fatty acids that are notorious for destroying our cell membranes. Avoid hydrogenated oils and look for healthier options such as olive oil. 5. Microwaved popcorn. Microwavable popcorn contains perfluorooctanoic acid, a known carcinogen. Studies have also shown that diacetyl, which is used in artificial butter-making popcorn, is known to lead to many diseases, including cancer. If you absolutely must eat popcorn, make it yourself at home. Before we get to number 6, if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us bring even better videos to you in the future. Thank you. 6. Farmed fish. Farmed fish is one of the most common ways people get exposed to cancerous ingredients. Fish such as salmon, commercially raised in large quantities by fish farmers, are given pesticides and a huge amount of carcinogenic chemicals to prevent viral, bacterial, and parasitic outbreaks in fish farms. Farmed fish also contains less omega-3 than wild fish. Try to opt for wild-caught fish whenever possible. 7. Refined sugar. The biggest culprit in causing cancer by far is refined sugars. Refined sugars spike insulin levels right after they are taken and has shown to feed the growth of cancerous cells as well. Highly prevalent in cookies, cakes, and sodas, refined sugars can fuel cancer cell growth. Choosing natural sweeteners and reducing processed sugar intake can help lower your risk from this incurable disease. 8. White flour. Stripped of nutrients and bleached with chlorine gas, bleached flour or white flour is known to spike insulin at time of ingestion that will directly feed cancerous cells and lead to insulin resistance. Try your best to find whole grain options and avoid white flour whenever possible. 9. Pickled, salted, and smoked foods. All these products contain preservatives like nitrates added to increase their shelf life. These additives are dangerous in high amounts. They are toxic and harmful for the body at the cellular level, leading to diseases like cancer. And when smoked foods are cooked, the nitrates are converted into nitrites, increasing the risk of cancer even more. 10. Grilled red meat. Grilling meat releases a carcinogen called heterocyclic aromatic amines. When grilling red meat to edible temperature, the molecular and chemical structure of the meat is altered. It's advisable to either broil or bake your red meats. We hope you learned something from this video. Take care.